Instead of assigning due dates to each and every content item or an assignment or a discussion forum in a module content area, you can assign a display after and display until dates to the entire module. That way you're not assigning the dates for each and every item. To do that, make sure you are within the content area or the module. Switch on the edit mode. Hover over this little arrow here, the drop down gray arrow, and click on edit. If you scroll down, you'll see you have the options of display after and a display until. I'm going to check both boxes and give it a display after and a display until date. Once I'm done, I'm going to hit submit. So you'll see that you have a little box here that shows this item is currently hidden because we've assigned it a display after date. Students will be able to view this after the assigned date we've set, which is currently January 15, 2023 at 12 a.m. And that is how you assign a display after and an until date for the entire module content area.